We are at Flint Creek in Hillsborough County. We're in the process of removing the debris from this creek. When I mean debris, it's vegetative debris. It's trees that blow over from Hurricane Milton. My name is Chris McCall. I am a senior project manager with the district in the design construction management team. This is the second time we've done Flint Creek, which is about a 3-mile creek that runs from Lake Sassa to the Hillsborough River. The other creek that we're removing vegetative debris from is Peace Creek in Polk County, which is a substantially longer creek. It's about 36 miles. Both of these creeks, the debris is being cleaned up by the district, being funded by the NRCS, which is a division of the USDA, which is the Natural Resource Conservation Services. And the reason that the district does this and makes it a high priority is because we want to get the debris out so that we don't impede flow of water when we have another rain event, whether it be a hurricane or a tropical storm. The purpose of this is to alleviate flooding from those areas. The more water we can get out into the natural water, less flooding we'll have in those areas. We worked with our GIS department for debris management and had them create a tool that we could post a before picture and an after picture and plot them on a map so that we could share with our NRCS project manager what our status was, what had actually been cleaned up. The reason that this project is so beneficial to the community as well as meets our mission is that by removing this debris, it decreases the risk of flooding in those areas.